These are the TaoTronics TT-BH060, and they are an awesome pair of wireless noise canceling headphones. Here's why we think they're some of the best you can buy under $100. These TaoTronics headphones look a lot like higher end models from Bose. They have the same sort of oval shaped ear cups, the same kind of plush ear pads and leather top, and they really feel quite comfortable on your head. They also have industry-leading battery life. So these headphones offer between 20 and 30 hours of juice on the go, which is something that we just frankly don't see for many headphones at the $70 price point. Noise cancellation is actually quite good. It's more than enough to drown out the HVAC system in your office or a coworker's conversations, but some more pointed noises like the clickety-clack of a mechanical keyboard can sneak through. Still, at this price, that is more than acceptable, and you'll have to spend a lot more money to get anything better. The headphones also come with some pretty cool accessories. They come with this molded hard case, which will keep them safe on the go. And inside the hard case, they come with a charging cable and a 3.5mm cable for if you want to plug into your laptop or you want to save some battery on the go. So one thing we will note on any headphones that are sort of in this price class is that you'll want to take good care of them. They're not built to be as robust as headphones that are 3 or 4 times the price. And that's why including this hard case is awesome. You can just fold these up, put them in the hard case, and you won't have to worry about them on the go. Controls are on the bottom of the right earphone, and they're quite easy to use. There's a volume up and down rocker, a power button that also acts as a play pause button, and your Bluetooth pairing button. And then there is a switch for activating noise cancellation. There is one quirk, however. This noise cancellation stays on even when the headphones themselves are off. So if you want to save juice, you really have to turn the headphones off and this switch off. Otherwise, they might be draining when you put them back into the case. For a pair of $70 noise canceling headphones, these sound fantastic. They really block out the outside world and create kind of a blank canvas to paint your musical images over. They have some really nice warm mid-range and some bright and crisp high-end. The low end can get a little bit muddy in the low mid-range, but like I said, at this price point, that's more than expected, and frankly, they sound quite clear, and the noise cancellation enables them to really provide a sound signature for over-ear headphones that you might expect at a much higher price. With a $70 MSRP and frequent discounts into around the $50 range, the TT-BH060 are a shockingly good pair of headphones for the money. They have great noise cancellation, they have amazing battery life, and they have decent sound, and that makes them something you should absolutely consider if you're in the market. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and scroll down for a link to the full review on the Digital Trends website.